Hello students, welcome you all on this online study platform of Divine Public School. Students, we know that all geometric figures are built by basic figures like points, line segment, rays and plane. So today we will learn about these geometrical shapes. Basic geometrical concepts. In this unit, we will learn about points, line segment and ray. Let us learn about all the concepts. Firstly, we will learn about the plane. We come across a lot of flat surfaces in our everyday life. The top of a table, the surface of a wall, the surface of a paper, etc. All are the flat surfaces. For example, you can see here the tabletop. It is the example of flat surface. Point. A point is a mark of position. Usually, a fine dot with a sharp-edged pencil represents a point. It has no length, breadth or thickness. Here you can see a fine dot here and A is represent the dot. Now let us see the concept of line. The group of dots form a line. It has no definite length, no breadth or thickness. It has no endpoints. You can see here the example of line. Dear students, you can see the arrows both sides of the line. It means a line segment extended endlessly on both sides. Sometimes a line is represented by a small letter that should be L, M, N, etc. In the given figure, here you can see M is a line. Let us move to our next part, that is line segment. Line segment is a part of line which has definite length and two endpoints. For example, the straight path from A to B is called the line segment AB. The distance between the endpoints A and B is called length of AB. Thus, a line segment has a definite length which can be measured. Let us see the next part, ray. Ray is also a part of line which has only one endpoint and no definite length. For example, light of the torch. Dear friends, have you ever observed a narrow beam of lighting emerging from a torch or the light rays from the sun? These lights emerge from the light source and go on endlessly in one direction only. This is the basic concept of a ray. Here, a ray AB has one endpoint, namely A. This endpoint A of ray AB is called its initial point. Measuring line segments. Let us see how to measure the line. To measure a line segment, we need a ruler. One edge of a ruler is marked in centimeters. Each centimeter is divided into 10 equal small divisions, and each small division is called a millimeter. Let us see the example. Measure the length of a given line segment AB. Let us see how to measure. Method. Place the edge of the ruler along the line segment AB, keeping the 0 cm mark of the ruler at the point A. Now, read the mark on the ruler at point B. We observe that the end point B is 4 small divisions ahead of 4 cm mark. So, the length of AB is 4 cm 4 mm or 4.4 cm. Dear friends, let us see one more example. Draw a line segment of length 9 cm. Method. Place the ruler on the plane of the paper and hold it firmly. Mark a point with a fine pencil against the 0 cm mark of the ruler. Name it point A. By sliding the pencil gently along the edge of the ruler, draw a line segment up to the 9 cm mark on the ruler. Name the point against 9 cm mark as B. Thus, the length of the line segment AB is 9 cm.
Straight and curved lines. Straight lines. A straight line is essentially just a line with no curves. Here you can see the image of a straight line. Curved line. A bent line which is not straight is called curved line. You can see the image of curved line. Now let us learn the next definition, curves. The figure traced out with help of the sharp edge of a pencil without lifting the pencil are called curves. Here you can see the different example of curves. Closed and open figures. The definition of closed figures: the figures begin and end at the same point is called closed figure. Here you can see the different types of closed figures. Simple closed figure. A closed figure which does not intersect itself is called a simple closed figure. These shapes are the example of simple closed figures. Open figures. Figures that begin and end at different points are called open figures. These are the example of open figures. Polygons. A simple closed figure form of 3 or more line segments is called a polygon. These shapes are the example of polygons. Now let us see about the circle. A circle is a closed figure, each of whose points is equidistant from a fixed point inside it. The fixed point is called the center of circle. A, B and C are 3 points on the circle. All the 3 points are at the same distance from O. Therefore, OA equal to OB equal to OC. Radius. The distance between the center of a circle and any point on it is called its radius. Each of the line segment OA, OB and OC represents a radius of the circle. Dear students, the plural of radius is radii. Now let us see the definition of chord. A line segment that joins 2 points on a circle is called a chord of the circle. In this figure, AB is the chord of the circle. Diameter. A chord which passes through the center of the circle is called a diameter of the circle. In this given figure, AB is the diameter of the circle. Dear students, diameter is the longest chord of the circle.
Now dear students, I hope you nicely understood the geometrical concept. So try to solve the problems from your textbook. Thank you.